The warmth and availability of food in your home or business can attract cockroaches. And once they enter your home, they can quickly reproduce to cause an infestation that can be significantly detrimental to the health of your family. But did you know bay leaves are a natural cockroach repellent? This DIY solution requires a handful of bay leaves to be pulverized into a powder and sprinkled around the cockroach hotspots in your home. The idea behind this home remedy for cockroaches is that roaches cannot stand the scent of the essential oils released by crushed bay leaves. Let's go into a bit more detail on how you can remove these pests with bay leaves. Bay leaves will not kill cockroaches, but they will produce a scent that cockroaches find irritating. This will force them to seek residence elsewhere. Fresh or dry, bay leaves are not crumbly, so it's not difficult to sweep up later. Here's a list of ways you can use them successfully to get rid of your cockroach problem. Scatter the bay leaves around your house in areas where you've seen cockroach activity. Focus on your food preparation areas as well as eating areas. You could also fill containers with bay leaves just like you would with potpourri and place them where needed. You can also place a few leaves under your garbage can as cockroaches will be attracted there. Try sprinkling bay leaves in your cupboards, behind the refrigerator, and under the stove to scare off those pesky invaders. If you prefer, you can place crushed bay leaves in small containers or sachets to prevent them from scattering. This can also make it easier to replace the leaves when their scent fades. Dry bay leaves have the capability of retaining their fragrance for up to 1 year. Fresh ones have a more bitter aroma, which is more potent and may work better in keeping the cockroaches away. Cockroaches will mistake leftover food as an open invitation to invade your home. It's therefore important to clean up after yourself. Practice the following habits to avoid attracting cockroaches to your house. Always wipe your counters after use. Sweep your floors regularly. Wash dirty dishes, utensils, and pots. Put away ingredients after use. Other methods that you could use to reduce the alluring scents and implement crumb control in your house includes storing your packaged dry foods in canisters or jars that have tight-fitting lids, only eating in designated areas such as the dining room or kitchen, ensuring that you clean your pantry or cupboards twice a year or seasonally, vacuuming your floors and seating weekly as required. Finally, catnip is another herb that cockroaches often find repulsive. It's a good alternative to bay leaves unless you have a feline occupant that might experience sensory overload from leaves being placed throughout the home. Catnip oil also makes very effective mosquito repellent oil. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on how to get rid of pests with baking soda. Thanks for watching and bye for now.